Welcome to Sunshine Corner.
Today we will talking about daily routine. 日常生活 Hope you enjoy. Get up. 起床，起床。Brush teeth. 刷牙，刷牙。Wash face. 洗脸，洗脸。Bath in Mandarin is 洗澡，洗澡。Eat breakfast in Mandarin is 吃早餐，吃早餐。Go to school. Go to school in Mandarin is 上学，上学。Study in Mandarin is 读书，读书。Eat lunch in Mandarin is 吃午餐，吃午餐。Finish school in Mandarin is 放学，放学。Go home in Mandarin is 回家，回家。Play in Mandarin is 玩，玩。Do exercise in Mandarin is 做运动，做运动。Do homework in Mandarin is 做作业，做作业。Eat dinner in Mandarin is 吃晚餐，吃晚餐。Watch TV in Mandarin is 看电视，看电视。Sleep in Mandarin is 睡觉，睡觉。
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel, Sunshine Corner. See you next time.